Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of graduate. You will be able to complete a high school, academic, or training degree. For example, I graduated from West Point in 1965. The second definition of graduate. A range according to a series of numbers or a scale. For example, the stones were graduated in height from the lowest near the entrance to the tallest opposite. American pronunciation. Graduate. Graduate. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Graduate. Say. Graduate. Graduate means successfully complete academic degree. Graduate. Graduate. Graduate origin. Late Middle English. From medieval Latin graduating, graduated, from Latin graduare, take a degree, from Latin gradus, degree, step. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The downtown campus offers a broad range of undergraduate and graduate courses. Now, repeat after me. The downtown campus offers a broad range of undergraduate and graduate courses. The second practice. Everyone else in the race was either an Oxbridge graduate or undergraduate. Now, repeat after me. Everyone else in the race was either an Oxbridge graduate or undergraduate. Visual representation of graduate. Graduate means you will be able to complete a high school, academic, or training degree.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.